Vanakkam. Hi everybody. Welcome back. Apa khabar semua? Today I'm going to share with you a dish that can be prepared in less than 5 minutes. Yes guys, you heard me right. It's none other than the Stir Fry Garlic Chives. So for those of you who like a quick dish, this is one of it. Do try and let me know. Don't forget, subscribe, like and share. And if you do that, you will get to know more of my dishes. Thank you. Enjoy cooking. The ingredients to make our dish are 260 grams of garlic chives, 120 grams of fresh prawns. You can use any size. Here I've cut them into smaller pieces. 4 cloves of garlic chopped fine, 1 chili, 1 medium-sized onion, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, and oil to cook. Let's start cooking. Over a medium heat, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Fry in your garlic. Followed by a chili. And also your onion. Fry them till they are fragrant. When you can smell the fragrance, you can start to add in your prawns. And together with your prawns, you can also add in your light soy sauce and mix them well. Leave them for a while. In just about 1-2 minutes, you can add in your chives. Guys, this is one dish that you can encourage your children to eat more veggies. We don't have to cook very long. It just takes about another 1-2 minutes and we are done. Taste it first before adding extra salt. Here, I'm going to add in a little bit more salt. And our dish is done.